Welcome back to Sunday Report. I'm Bill Spadia. A case that has captivated the country. The Lindsay Clancy trial is now in its final stretch, and the jury is about to decide whether a devastating mental health crisis with her taking a massive amount of medication had any role in her killing her 3 young children in January 2023. Joining me now for more, forensic psychiatrist and trial expert witness, Dr. Carol Lieberman. Also with us, former prosecutor and constitutional law attorney Amir Benno, trial attorney and host of Today with Dr. Wendy Patrick. Good to see you all this morning. Before the defense rested, expert witness Dr. Philip Resnick was called to the stand. He has been called as a witness in many high-profile cases where parents were charged in killing their kids. Take a listen to what he had to say about Clancy.
Own anguish about how depressed she was, where she actually felt she couldn't function, her brain was damaged, she would never be the same. She definitely met the definition of a major depression. It was a postpartum onset, and she was clearly psychotic on that day.
Dr. Lieberman, just put that in context, what you hear. First of all, do you agree? And how is this going to play out with the jury?
Well, I hope the jury recognizes that Dr. Resnick was the most educated, the most thoughtful, his commentary all the way around was the best. And I hope that they recognize that. Some of the other commentary, first of all, the witnesses who were the treaters, each of them deserved to have their license taken away. They were just guessing at her diagnosis and guessing what medication they should give her. And so I hope, I agree with him, first of all, that she was in a psychotic state. Yeah. It was postpartum psychosis and depression. And she wasn't able to make a decision, a responsible decision, as Massachusetts puts it. And I think she should be found not guilty. She should, be sent to she is in a mental hospital.
Doc,
right
can I
now.
just ask you, I don't mean to interrupt, but I want to understand what, in your expert opinion, when you think about this, the 13-drug regimen she was on, the 8 drugs found in her body, I mean, it seems to the average person watching this that she was just a science experiment.
Yes, exactly. I mean, even for those people, those jurors who don't necessarily believe in postpartum psychosis or whatever, just think about the impact of all these different medications on a person's brain. They interact with each other. They oppose each other. That alone would have made her destroyed her mental state.
So sad. What a heartbreaking, tragic story. Yeah. So got to pray for that whole family. All right, Dr. Carol Lieberman, thank you for joining me today.